In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Then allow in the other ones. Now before starting recording, click on those three lines on the left. Select the gear icon at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to, like quality. When you finished, go back and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow in notifications pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the top right corner. And to listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it, and use this play button on the left. If you wish to end it and save it though, select this little square on the right. You can name it however you wish to over here and then hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it instead. Select delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!